Well...
I see. So what's the trouble?
I want to get married.
Congratulations. Why not wait till you're 25?
I want to get married now.
Have you spoken to your uncle about it?
No.
Does he know that you want to get married?
I don't think so.
Then don't you think that the first thing to do would be to sound him out and see how he'd feel about it?
No.
Bad blood between you two? Do you see him frequently?
Every day we live in the same house.
So your uncle, Dexter Norton, is entrusted with a whole lot of money and given a discretion which is rather unusual. Does he have money of his own?
Lots of it.
So, Miss Elaine, just what is it you want me to do?
I want you to fix it so I can get married.
Have you got a copy of the will or of the decree of distribution?
Do I need one?
I can't give you an interpretation of a legal document till I've seen that document.
I just told you what it said.
No, you gave me your version of what it said. But it sounds to me like your father set up what's known as a spendthrift trust. Moreover, there's no restriction upon marriage after you've reached the age of 25.
Mr. Mason, I've heard a lot about you. They say some lawyers tell people what they can and can't do, but that you always fix things so a person can do what he or she wants to.
Perhaps. Where there's a will, Miss Elaine, there's a way. Who do you want to marry?
Rob Gleason.
Does your uncle know him?
Yes.
Approve of him?
No.
Does Rob Gleason know about this provision in the will?
I think he knows now, but he didn't. Mr. Mason, don't make any mistake about it. I'm going to marry Rob Gleason. You can take that as final. You've got to find some way for me to do it, that's all. I'm leaving that end up to you.
You seem to know pretty much what you want.
I do.
Suppose I call you tomorrow morning. That'll give me some time to look up the court records.
Can't you do it this afternoon?
Maybe. Why? Will 4 o'clock suit you?
Perfectly.
What is it, Della?
There's a call for you, Mr. Mason. It's a private matter.
I see. Miss Elaine, please leave your number with Miss Street
I'll
at the desk.
expect to hear from you at 4, Mr. Mason.
Perry Mason speaking.
Mr. Mason, my name is Robert Gleason. Does that name mean anything to you?
Should it?
It should if Frances Lane called on you today. Did she?
I think you must have dialed the wrong number, Mr. Gleason. This is a law office, not an information bureau.
I've got to know whether or not Frances Lane has been talking with you.
Do you know this Miss Elaine personally?
Of course.
Then ask her.
You can't talk that way to me.
I already have talked that way to you.
But I'm not some stranger. I've got a right to know. Frances is being blackmailed, and I want to know what you propose to do about it.
I'm rather busy today, Mr. Gleason, and I haven't time to discuss the matter with you.
At least you can tell me who the blackmailer is. That's all I want to know. If you give me that information, I'll take care of things myself.
Goodbye, Mr. Gleason. I'm sorry I can be of no assistance to you.
Was I right? Was he calling about our little hellcat?
More of a hell kitten. And yes, Della, he was. Our client's name is Frances Elaine.
And do you think she was in a panic?
I think she was in a panic. I think she's a self-willed little devil with an ungovernable temper. I think she's caught in some sort of a trap and she's trying to get out.
Oh, Rob's always so impulsive. He wouldn't have liked you talking to him like that, Mr. Mason.
He didn't. He said you were being blackmailed. Are you?
I'm sure I haven't the faintest idea what he means.
I see. Well, Miss Elaine, I've been looking over the trust provisions of the will, and I'm afraid I can't give you very much hope as far as the decree of distribution itself is concerned. The administration of the trust seems to be largely discretionary. Even if we win our point in court, your Uncle Dexter would have it in his discretion to nullify our victory.
That's what I was afraid of.
However, there is another provision to the effect that in the event the trust should terminate because of the death, inability, or refusal on the part of the trustee to continue to act, then the entire trust fund is to be vested in you unconditionally.
You mean if my uncle were to...
I mean that your uncle might be placed in a position where he could no longer act to advantage. We might make some legal attack upon his capacity to act as trustee. It's pretty sketchy, and I'm mentioning it to you simply because it seems to be the only possible plan of campaign open to us.
You don't know my uncle?
Well, do you have any other suggestions, Miss Elaine?
Maybe something could be done through Arthur Cranston.
Who's Arthur Cranston?
He's my uncle's business partner. They're in real estate, stocks and bonds, that sort of thing. Arthur has more influence with my uncle than any other living person, and he feels very kindly toward me.
Very well. I'll call him tomorrow.
Why not right now?
The office closes at 5, Miss Elaine.
I'd prefer...